Hello 6th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the lesson factors and multiples. We have understood how to find out the HCF. Now coming to the next topic, the least common multiple, that is LCM. Here also there are three methods. First is by listing the multiples. So you have to write the multiples of each number. So first question, find the LCM of 3, 6 and 9. So first multiples of 3, multiples of 6, multiples of 9. So write the multiples. Multiples means tables. You remember? So like that you have to write. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. Till 30 you write, it will continue. Now the multiples of 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42. It will continue. Now multiples of 9. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54. Okay. Now underline the common multiples of 3, 6 and 9. So first see, 3 not there, 6 here it is not there, 9 not there, it is 12 here, not here, 15 not there, 18, 18, 18, 18, underline and write. Now next will be 18 2s are 36. So here 36 there, here also 36 is there. But here we have not written, so continue. 3 10s are 30, 3 11s are 33, 3 12s are 36 and it continues. So you got 36. So whenever you get first multiple, the common multiple, the second common multiple will be 2 times. So if you get in 2 numbers, then the third one you continue. समझ में आया? तो पहले मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3 10 तक लिखो, छोटा नंबर का ज्यादा लिखने का है और 10 तक लिखो. और अभी मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 5 अराउंड 6 और 7. नाउ 9 यू कैन राइट अप टू सम 5 और 6 मल्टीपल्स. देन कॉमन मल्टीपल को लिखते जाओ. मिनिमम हमें 2 कॉमन मल्टीपल मिलने का है. सो फर्स्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल मिलेगा तो दूसरा इट विल बी 18 2s. 18 इज द फर्स्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल, सेकेंड विल बी 18 2s 36. सो इधर दोनों में मिला था तो इधर आप लोग आगे कंटिन्यू करो. ठीक है. नाउ एलसीएम. एलसीएम मतलब द लोएस्ट. सो 18 is the answer. This is the listing method, listing the multiples. Now coming to prime factorization method. तो HCF में first listing the factors, second was prime factorization method. So here also do the prime factorization. So first you have to write 24, then 15, then 45. तीनों का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करने का है. नाउ इवन नंबर स्टार्ट विथ 2, 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, again 2, 6s are 12, again 2, 3s are 6, 3 ones are. So write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 3 times 2 and 1 time 3. Now not with the 2, not divisible by 2, 3. याद है ना, prime factorization means divide by the prime numbers. So start from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 like that. So 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are. So it is 3 and 5. Now 45. 5 plus 4, 9. So it is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. 1 remain. 3 5s are 15. Again with 3. 5s are 15. 5 1s are. So you will be writing 3 into 3 into 5. Okay. अभी आप लोगों को कॉमन जो है पहले अंडरलाइन करो, उसको लिखो. ओके. नाउ द कॉमन नेक्स्ट, ये 3 इट इज कॉमन विथ ऑल द 3 नंबर्स. Now see which number is common in 2 numbers. So common in 3 it is only 1, that is 3. Next 5 दो नंबर्स में है तो उसको एक बार लिखो. अभी कौन सा नंबर है, कोई भी कॉमन नहीं है. सो अनकॉमन को अभी लिखो, मतलब जो बचा है इट इज 2 3 times एंड हियर 1 3. तो पहले कॉमन इन ऑल द 3 अंडरलाइन एंड राइट 1 टाइम. फिर दो नंबर्स में कॉमन, उसको अंडरलाइन करो, एक बार लिखो. अभी जो अनकॉमन है, मतलब किसी में भी कॉमन नहीं है, उसको सबको, जो बचा है उसको सबको लिख के रखने का. अभी मल्टीप्लाई करो. जब भी 5 and 2 रहता है तो उसको पहले मल्टीप्लाई करके साइड में रखो. क्यों? 5 2s are 10. ठीक है. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई द अदर्स. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36 and into 10. 36 into 10 is 360. Understood? So for prime factorization method, first do the prime factorization of all the 3. Write the prime factorization of each number. Then LCM of the 3 numbers is equal to, underline the common factor in all the 3, write once. Then see is there any common factor in 2 numbers, that also underline and write 1 time. And then the not common ones, that also you have to multiply. Is it okay? Now coming to common division method, which is the most commonly used. So what is the method? First write all the 3 numbers together, 30, 45, 60. अभी प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन तीनों का एक साथ करने का है. यूज ओनली द प्राइम नंबर्स. सो 0 0 इवन नंबर्स तो 2. 2 1s are 2, 1 remain, 2 5s are 10. Now 45 is not divisible by 2. So write as it is. याद रखो, जो नंबर डिविजिबल नहीं है उसको वैसे ही नीचे लिखने का है. Now try the other. 2 how much are 6? 2 3s are 6 and 0s are. Again 30 is an even number, so start. 2 15 not divisible, write as it is. Now 45 not divisible, write as it is. 30 2 1s are 2, 1 remain, 5s are 10. Now, not even a single number is divisible by 2. So, take 3. 3 से divisible है. 3 5s are 10, 3 1s are 3, 1 remain, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. Again 3 because 15. So 3, 5 as it is because 5 is not divisible. Now 3 5s are 15 and 5 as it is. Now you put 5. 1s are, 1s are, 1s are. Hope you understood. तीनों नंबर को एक साथ लिखकर फिर प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन के जैसे ही डिवाइड करते जाने का है, लेकिन जो नंबर डिविजिबल नहीं होता है तो उसको वैसे का वैसे ही लिखने का है. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में वो डिवाइड होगा. ठीक है. सो 2, 3 and 5. So LCM of a 30, 45 and 60. 2 times 2, 2 times 3 and 1 time 5. Now while multiplying it will be a big number, isn't it? So multiplication में संभल के करो. 2 5s are 10. फर्स्ट उसको साइड में रखो मल्टीप्लाई करके. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 10s are 180. Hope you understood all the three methods. These are the three methods for the finding LCM. But usually we use this method. But for the exam, if they specify the method, you have to do accordingly. Okay. Now coming to the example 7. That is a word problem regarding the LCM. Find the smallest number. HCF में मैं बताई थी the greatest number पूछेंगे तो HCF find out करने का. अभी smallest number पूछे हैं तो we have to find the LCM. And here they have told find the smallest number which when divided by 25, 40, 60 leaves remainder 7 in each case. So here the method is different. Remainder है, ठीक है. उधर रिमाइंडर रहता तो पहले हम सब्ट्रैक्ट किए फिर HCF फाइंड आउट किए, है ना. याद है. जब भी रिमाइंडर रहता है जो नंबर है उससे रिमाइंडर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करके जो नंबर मिला उनके HCF फाइंड आउट किए. लेकिन इधर पहले LCM फाइंड आउट करने का है, फिर जो नंबर दिया है उसको ऐड करने का है. ठीक है. ये मेथड याद रखने का. HCF में कैसे क्या करने का, LCM में क्या करने का. So use the common division method. So it is 25, 40 and 60. These two are even numbers. So start with 2. 25 as it is. 2 2s are 4, 0s are 2 3s are 6, 0s are again even. So 2. 25 as it is. 2 10s are 2 1s are 2 5s are 10. Now again it is an even number. So first you complete dividing by 2. So 25 as it is, 2 5s are 10 and 15 as it is. Now 15 is divisible by 3. So take 3, 25 as it is, 5 as it is. Now 3 5s are 15. Now it is 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Now 5 1s are 1 1. Now LCM of 25, 40 and 60 are multiply all these. 3 times 2, 1 times 3 and 2 times 5. To multiply, I have told already, it is 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Means 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. 10 10s are 100. So you got 100. Now 2 3s are 6 into 100, 600. Is it okay? Now coming to the answer. The smallest number which when divided by 25, 40, 60 leaves remainder 7. In each case is 600 plus 7, that is 607. Is it clear? So what we have to do? First find out the LCM and add the remainder. So you will get the answer. Hope everyone understood. Now coming to example 8. In a morning walk, 3 boys step off together. Their steps measure 80 centimeter, 85 centimeter and 90 centimeter respectively. What minimum distance should each walk so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? Minimum distance, then it is LCM. So find LCM of 80, 85 and 90. Okay. So 80, 85, 90. These two are even, so 2. 4s are 8, 0, 85 as it is. 2 4s are 8, 1 remains, 5s are 10. Now this is even, 2, 2s are 4, 0, 85, 45 as it is. Next it is again 2, 2 10s are 20. Now 85 as it is, 45 as it is. Next again 2, 5s are 10, 85, 45. Now divisible by 2 over. C for 3, 8 plus 5, it is a 13, isn't it? Not possible, but 5 plus 4, 9. So divisible by 3. 5 as it is, 85 as it is. Now 3 1s are 3, 1 remains, 5s are 15. Again 15 is divisible by 3. 5 as it is, 85 and now 5s are 15. Now 5. Next prime is 5. 5 1s are 5, 3 remains, 5 7s are 35 and 5 1s are. Now directly 17 because 17 is a prime number. Is it clear? Now LCM of, it is a 2 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2 times, now 5 and 17. It's a very big number. So when you multiply, 2 5s are 10. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. then 3 3s are 9, 8 9s are 72, 72 into 17, you will get 1, 2, 2, 4 and 2 5s are 10. It is 1, 2, 2, 4, 0. This is the LCM, but they have asked the minimum distance. So answer, the required distance or the minimum distance each should walk so that all can cover the distance in complete steps. Is 12240, that is in centimeter, isn't it? So convert in the meter, that is divide by 100. So it will be 100 का है तो 2 0 है तो 2 digits from the right it will go to the centimeter. So 40 will be the centimeter and 122 will be the meter, isn't it? 122 meter 40 centimeter. समझ में आया? So the minimum distance, first you find out the LCM and convert into meter, centimeter. So these are the examples for the LCM. Hope everyone understood. It's comparatively easy, isn't it? Bye. Thank you for watching the video.